Hey, the Miller on Broadnax is the newest restaurant in downtown Dadeville. It's right next to the new Miller Hotel, so let's check it out. I'm a little late getting this one done because they've been open for a while now, but they have totally redone the old Miller Hotel location. And it's like a lot of restaurants in Dadeville. It's right across from the county courthouse, Tallapoosa County Courthouse on Broadnax Street. The name of the business is Miller's on Broadnax, and they're also rehabbing the old Miller Hotel. So at the time I'm making this video, you can't do it, but you're going to be able to rent rooms upstairs. And so you can see how they've redone this. It's got awesome wood floors and wood walls. And they really did a beautiful job in here and kept a lot of the old building character. And if you're familiar with the old Fusion Grill, it used to be on 49. The menu is really similar to that. They've got a lot of great burgers, a lot of great sandwiches. The wings are awesome. They also serve like steak and stuff. But in general, I'd say it's a fun menu and just a fun place to hang out. And I'm going to post their hours, but I'm super excited about Miller's on Broadnax because I think it's going to be a great addition to, and really as part of, like I say this, like every video I make, the ever-growing restaurant scene in downtown Dadeville. It's really becoming a spot where you can come and park. And actually, they got public parking right by Miller's on Broadnax, where there's probably like 20 or 25 spaces. So if you circle around the roundabout in downtown Dadeville around the courthouse, you can't find a spot, just park in the public spot and you can walk to everything. It's really easy. There's big wide sidewalks. You can access all these businesses. But like I say, I'm really excited to have another great restaurant here. And if you want to check it out, I'll put their menu here. And I'll also put it on my app, which is Lake Martin Voice. It's a free app to download. It's got all the Lake Martin area restaurants and their times and their menus, especially locally owned businesses like this one, even ones that are off the lake, because we do things on the lake and we also have nice restaurants off the lake. So if I can help you with your real estate needs here, I'd love to do that. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty, and love to help you on anything I can do. Thanks.